Hi guys! So for today, we will be unboxing Yeezy Boost 350 V2 size 8 US. So ito yung colorway niya, Yeezy. Bali nag-shock drop kasi si Adidas, and then all Yeezy items nila are on sale. So nakascore tayo ng 2 items. So let's do an unboxing. Zoom natin. So, ito yung shoe. And zoom natin. Then this part. And then the size tag here. Then Yeezy. And then bottom part. And then yung isa naman. And then yung bottom part. Yun lang guys. So ito na score ko to below SRP lang. So thank you guys.